Guys, good morning. It's another day and another time to do some vlog. Last night we got a lot of snow, so it's a perfect day to do a vlog about winter life here in Canada. First of all, I'm just gonna show you what we usually wear to before getting out. We get ready, we wear layers of clothes, and what's a proper clothing to wear when you want to go outside, especially with a high level of snow. So let's go check it out. Okay, this is my first layer of clothing, long sleeve shirt. Some people double their shirt. They have sleeveless inner shirt under this, but this is perfect for me because I'm not going somewhere else but in the backyard. And next, I am wearing leggings. Okay, that's leggings. So some people wear jeans, but since I'm going to wear a snow pants, leggings is perfect to wear under your snow pants. All right, guys, let's get our winter gear on. We're putting it on now and we're going outside. So we're going to start with the lower part because jacket is too thick. It's hard to bend over and put everything else. So we'll do our socks, our snow pants, our boots first before we go and get our jacket. Okay, I will be putting my socks first. With your snow pants. So by the way, my snow pants is a kid size. This is not adult size because adult size wouldn't fit me. So I got snow pants from a kids section and fits perfectly. Is on. So then we're tuck in our snow pants just like that, or actually if it's too tight then you can just insert your snow pants and your boots in there under your snow pants. It's up to you which one is more comfortable. See, there you go. Right there. So this is the pain of going outside and getting ready. So much things to wear. And yeah, so we're just wearing that for now, and then we're going to wear the next, which is our jacket. Okay, before putting our jacket on, we are going to put some scarves around our neck. Keep our neck nice and warm. There you go. Don't put it too tight or you're gonna get suffocated or choke with this thing. Just, loose, not too tight, just loose. Keep some room there for your neck to have some room there. Okay, there you go. And then if you choose to wear a toque or snow hat, then you can do so. See, there you go. I don't know, here. So usually you put your hat on first before you put your jacket because you get too warm and hot before you get out. So you just do whichever is lighter first before you put your jacket. Next, the last part, which is this jacket, parka. Here you go, guys. I'm almost set. Yeah. So if it's really, really too cold and windy, this helps. You cover your head, just like that. And if you wonder what's the purpose for this, really, those fur, this is to catch all the snow when it starts falling. So it will just catch this snow for you. And there we go. And of course, you're gonna have armpits or gloves right there. I have red gloves that matches my jacket, but it's not thick, it's a leather one. And since I'm going outside, I will try to do some shoveling today. I will be needing my nice warm gloves. There we go. Yep, that's all you need to get ready to get outside and to keep you warm. Okay, if you don't have to stay out for long, or if you're just inside the car or driving from one building to another, you don't have to wear too much clothes like this. You don't even have to wear snow pants. You just need to wear thick pants, some lighter winter boots, and a jacket, and you're fine. But since I'm going outside and do some shoveling, I'll be staying longer outside, so I will be needing this. Okay, pretty cool. Okay, all right, guys. So let's go. How about this? You think I'm needing this? No, I don't have a heel. Too bad. I will be using this if I have a big heel outside. I will be sliding on the snow, but nope. I have to do some shoveling today. No fan. No fan. Okay, let's go. We'll be going out in my backyard, guys, because my backyard used to be shoveled since my dogs has to go out there to do their business, and the snow is a little bit high. So yeah, we're going there, and I will do shoveling outside. See how much snow there is? Very high, very thick. Yeah, it's around maybe 6 inches of snow on the deck, and I have to clear out a little bit of that because my dogs need to get outside and do their business, and it's very deep for them. Let's do some shoveling. Look how thick that is, people. Right there. Who wants some snow? Who wants some ice there? That was hard. Not done yet. I still have to clear out a few spots. That was just a warm up. I still have to clear out a few spots for my puppies. So let's keep going. So this is reality in snowy days. We have to clean up our porch. We need to clean up our front backyard, front yard. I'll show you how this snow is heavy too, eh? It's not really light. go, guys. I think I cleaned up so enough already. Okay, my two puppies wants to go outside. Go, go, go. Let's go pee pee. Let's go pee pee, buggers. Come on. Let's go. Time to go pee pee. Come on. Pee pee time. So this is the reason why I'm trying to clean up the snow, because my dog needs to go to do their business and the snow is too high for them. Now they can go freely. It's not too deep. Okay. There you go, guys. Good girl. So yeah, right there. See how high that is. There. Knee-high snow. Yeah, right there. So now, since I'm already wearing my winter stuff anyhow, we're just gonna go out and I will give you a little bit of tour in my neighborhood, how it looks like right now when it's all covered with snow. So let's go. There's the park. There you go. If you go there, you see across over there, that's the one that I got a video for my fall videos. Right there, all the trees is all empty, no leaves. Looks dry, but they're not dry. They're gonna grow back later after winter. A bit windy, so I have to put my hat on right there. This tree, look at this. It's covered with snow. There we go. Walking in the winter wonderland. So you're walking on the snow, it's really not easy. It's like you're putting your step forward and then instead of going forward, it's going backwards. It's like slippery. It's crunchy. Crunch, crunch. Oh look, a bench. Well, a bench covered with snow. Let's go sit down then. Let's try if we can do some snow angel here. Again, the tree going right there. All right. Woo! Snow angel. Crazy lady doing the snowy angel. Ayan, snowy angel. Whew. Hard time to get up. Funny. So there you go, guys. I just give you an idea how is it house life during winter time here in Canada, especially when there's a big snowfall. So I just took you around my area, my neighborhood, how much snow we got here and how I do my shoveling. Hope you guys learned something and enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and share, of course, and put a comment down below, and don't forget to press the notification bell to get notified for my next video. Thank you so much. Have a good day and take care. Babush.